Hello my student friends. Today we learn about how to check power supply of computer. There are several ways to check the power supply of a computer. 1. Check the power supply unit, PSU, open up the computer case and locate the PSU. 1. Check if the PSU is switched on and if the power cable is properly connected. 2. Use a power supply tester. A power supply tester is a small device that can be used to test the voltage levels of a PSU. 2. You can connect the tester to the PSU and it will display the voltage levels. 3. Check the BIOS. Restart the computer and enter the BIOS by pressing the appropriate key during startup, usually Del or F2. 3. Look for the power supply voltage readings in the hardware monitoring section of the BIOS. 4. Use software tools. There are several software tools that can be used to check the power supply of a computer. 4. One such tool is HW Monitor, which can display the voltage readings of the PSU. It is important to check the power supply of a computer regularly to ensure that it is functioning properly. A faulty power supply can cause instability and damage to other components of the computer. Thanks you friends for watching my video.